Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to build this ultra portable rechargeable emergency light, and it's too much powerful as you can see. You can charge this light with a micro USB charging cable, and the red light means it's charging.
2,000 years later.
Indication LED turns blue, that means the battery is fully charged. I'm using a LG 18650 cell which is rated for 2700 milliamp, which is enough for this project. And a TP4056 charging plus discharging plus overcurrent protection module, a switch, and a small piece of a big white LED strip, and this aluminum casing as the main housing. It's a circuit diagram. If you want, you can download this diagram from the description box below. Let's start the build. So it's complete. Let's test it out. I test the LED's current draw, which is around 380 milliamp, and the cell is around 2750 milliamp. And when I test this emergency light, it gives around 7.5 hours of usage, which is really good. Thanks for watching guys. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos.